Hey guys, welcome to American RV, where we make dreams come true. I wanted to show you guys the Southern Peach Boutique, Miss Reagan's trailer. This one came in, had some dents in it, had some AC issues. Basically, she just needed it back quick, like we all do. She wanted to get back to work with it because this is actually her business. This is how she makes her money. So we got it in. We got the dents out, as you guys will see here in a minute. Got the AC where it's not banging and rattling anymore, and got it back to work. So I just wanted to show you guys what we've got here. Here we are at the front. This is where we had a pretty big dent on here. This is Miss Reagan's money maker, so we had to get it back in par with her, get her back up so she could make some money. So we got that dent pulled out in the front, and let's go to the back and take a look at it. So the back was actually really bad. It was almost like having a bathtub on top of your Airstream, if you can imagine that. The crater was very large, but she needed it handled, and she needed it handled in quick time. So we got inside there, pulled the dent out painstakingly, did some inside fiberglass repair, fixed the AC on the roof, did some trim pro, did some rivets, got Miss Reagan back up and going. So our Southern Peach Boutique can be back to making money, and that's what we need. If you guys want to check out Miss Reagan, she's on Facebook and Instagram. We'll put a link in the description. And as always, if you need a trailer dream come true, come see us here at American RV.
Thanks American RV for fixing the Airstream. It looks great.
Yeah, and come out and shop Southern Peach Boutique.